All right, thank you for being there. We're going to continue our video and our teaching. We'll continue learning Kiluba. If you notice that we have been placing some few videos already, and if you missed them, please go back to them because it is important. This is a continuous, it's a trend. We are not interrupting. So we start by learning how to count to 1 to 5. Then we notice that it's important to have the alphabet incorporated. We studied the alphabet last time, and here we are. We're gonna talk about we're gonna continue counting and to 10. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna revise the revision of what we studied before. We study the alphabet, which is the alphabet in Kiluba. It's just like what we have in French. They very little difference, like the pronunciation of u, it's u, something like that. And I think that's probably the only place. I may have more places. English, the same thing. The differences are mostly in pronunciation, which is different from what we have in Chinese. We have in Koreans and other Japanese languages. They are completely different, and even the way they write their alphabet. All right, listen to us. I think you're gonna try and to read the alphabet, to see what you retain, and I will follow you. Let's go together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, X, I think it's X, you're right.
Yeah.
X,
Y,
then Z. Okay? So that's what the alphabet, and we could revise it every day when we start, just to refresh our memory, because everything will be this will be the foundation of every language. I mean the reading of every language. You must be tired. Wow.
Yeah, I woke up a few hours ago.
Okay. All right, let's go forward. Let's talk about how to count. And we also learn 1, 0, 0 to so 1 to 5. Do you know how to read that? Can you try?
Umo, Ibidi, Isatu, Ina, Itano. Itano.
Then today we are into counting 6 to 10, which must be easy for us. So 6 is Isamba, 7 is Isamba Ibidi, 8 is Mwanda, 9 is Kitema, 10 is Dikumi. Let's go together. We just speak Kiluba. Isamba Ibidi, Mwanda, Kitema, Dikumi. Can you go through that?
Isamba.
Mm-hmm.
Isamba Ibidi.
Mm-hmm.
Mwanda.
Mm-hmm.
Kitema.
Mm-hmm.
Dikumi.
Very good. That was easy. Why we almost finishing already? Let's go again. Now I'm not gonna correct you. Let's go.
Isamba.
Samba. I think the accent is in samba. So Isamba. Just like you go.
Isamba.
Mm-hmm.
Isamba.
Mm-hmm.
Isamba Ibidi.
Mm-hmm.
Mwanda.
Mm-hmm.
Kitema.
Mm-hmm. Dikumi. And so to finish, as we go forward, we're gonna combine the counting. So we start with I'm gonna put this here. So we're gonna start with 1 to 10. Let's go. Umo. Not be careful the pronunciation. We already learned that. It's a Umo. Ibidi, Isatu, Ina, Itano, not Itano, Isamba, Isamba Ibidi, Mwanda, Kitema, Dikumi. Once more. Umo, Ibidi, Isatu, Ina, Itano, Isamba, not the Isamba, Isamba Ibidi, Mwanda, Kitema, Dikumi. Can you go alone? I'll catch you up.
Umo, Ibidi, Isatu, Ina, Itano, Isamba, Ibidi, Mwanda, now wait a minute, Mwanda, Kitema, Dikumi.
Very good, very good. You just need to work a little bit on the pronunciation of Isamba and a little bit of Itano and the Umo. Umo, Ibidi, Isatu, Ina. Let's go for the last time. Umo,
Ibidi.
not Umo. Umo. Yeah. Umo. Umo. Let's go together. Umo, Ibidi, Isatu, Ina, Itano, Isamba, Ibidi, Mwanda, Kitema, Dikumi. Thank you for listening, and that's the end of this little teaching of Kiluba. We learned today counting 0 to 10. So next time we're going to go from 10 to 15, and we're going to reach 20. And over time we're going to be reaching Katwa. I guess from 20 to Katwa, we can always skip that part. I think we will return it. We will learn faster. All right. What do you think?
I think that I'm better at speaking Kiluba than you. Okay, bye.
You learn more.
Yeah.